office. And you know that when we are doing the investigations, we can either go to the site by our own initiative, or we can receive the complaint from Wananchi. So what has happened here, we have received a complaint from the resident in this place. So according to our mandate, we are supposed to come and check if these guys have complied. So we have come to this site. The first time we came, we did not find the compliance issues. One, there are no approved drawings on site. The next thing, we have not seen the name approval. And then the construction is being undertaken without a registered contractor, as you can see. Then you look at this signboard. Anytime you're putting a signboard on site, then it should be a conspicuous signboard so that anybody can see. Because according to the code of conduct, the people who are passing by the Wananchi, they should be able to report to us if there's any malpractice happening on site. So that's why we are insisting on a signboard showing all the details of the project. If you look at this, it's not complete. You cannot even read it. Yeah, so that's why we are insisting. And then there should also be a safety sign telling the people that the construction works are ongoing. And all these things are not met on this particular site. Yeah. So once we obtain the approved drawings, and then we get the name approval to be able to analyze the issues. Then we see the people in charge, the contractor, the engineer in charge of the project. And from there we see the way. That's okay, full stop.